If you've been looking for an all-original four-eyed FoxBody, here's your chance today, guys. We're going to talk about it right here on the channel, but this one is going up for sale, and you could buy it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt. Today we have another car review video for you. I am still in Texas filming this. I'm actually not still in Texas, but when I was filming this, I was, as in right now. And today we're talking about another one of Chris's cars, the infamous project. Chris is right here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks, for like a lot of times now.
It's all good.
Yeah. Hey, you still got that same Miller from the other videos. Are you going to finish it this time?
It's the same one.
Yeah.
You know, I just taken my time.
Yeah, it's just going really slow. But we like your shirt today. And unfortunately, you guys can't get those because, well, we sold out and that was one off. But the shirt I am wearing, you can still get. It's on the Fox Resto site. Let me pass the camera off real quick to Chris. He can get the back.
Male model.
Right on. So there we go. Foxtoberfest shirts. But anyway, today, this car, I'm kind of jealous of this car. 86, I believe you picked it up fairly recently, right, Chris?
I did. I got it earlier this year and it was just random. It was through a friend of mine. He shifted to remote work, as many of us have, and he was on a conference call and they were talking about online social media content creation as they have their own YouTube channel. And one of the individuals on the call was a FoxBody owner. And my friend started talking about my channel, just in terms of trying to find a niche market of audience. And as soon as my friend had said, a FoxBody channel, his ears perked and sent him an email and said, hey, I have a FoxBody, I'm the original owner. It's been parked in the garage for over a decade. Do you think your friend would be interested in it? Well, this is history.
I guess you're interested in it. Yeah. So it is, as far as I know, it's basically all original, right? And it's not really modded at all, is it?
It is. It's your time capsule, if you will. He got it brand new in 1986. It is fully loaded. AC car, automatic car as well.
Yeah. So you're the second owner then, really?
I'm the second owner. So it's...
Let's just get right in under the hood because it's just so like underneath here. When I saw this, it's so clean, right?
Like when the under hood light works.
Get the proper one. There we go. Yeah, the under hood light works, I mean.
Yeah, no, you really can't complain. Everything is there, no modifications. Silly little things like the rubber cap on the intake here.
Yeah.
You would very rarely see. Got the coil cover and all of the
date-coded spark plug wires.
Date-coded spark plug wires. The battery terminals are still date-coded. The coil cover actually didn't have the normal typical sticker here that you guys might be used to. It's actually hidden up here.
Oh, what, is that like a 86.4, I think, for EFI, or I don't know?
Yeah, so that would be that's actually the vacuum line routing.
Yeah, I usually see it over there.
Yeah, so it's normally there. So in this case, it's there. These are all the original stickers.
Original paint still, right?
Original paint, so your original black single stage. Honestly, nothing has been touched. And well, there's a whole bunch of door dings on the driver's side, which I featured in my feature video on the car. But other than that, it's just amazing. Just to open the door, the crispness of the sound.
I know. Actually, the passenger side right over here, this is what kind of got me, guys. It's like, let's see if we can pick this up.
Yeah. It's like when you get a book for the very first time and you crack open the cover of that book and you just hear it.
I'm really kind of jealous. Like, I always wanted the 4, I always wanted a hatchback. Yeah, this ticks both boxes, but I guess he did do some maintenance over the years on it?
He did. He had a newer battery in it. All of his oil changes and everything else were done. And the sticker for his oil change and the date code on the battery were right around actually 9/11.
Like 20 years ago, like 2001.
Yeah. And so when me and Lewis were actually going through the car, because we wanted to get it running, we were going through we drained the fluids and we're checking out the fuel to see how bad that was, checked the spark plugs, did all the maintenance items, and the car fired right up. No problems whatsoever. Yeah. The only thing, there was a caliper on the front passenger side here. I needed to bleed it out for whatever reason. The pedal went soft and it could have just been the seal dried up, and we bled it out, and since then everything's been fine.
Awesome. Well, I just realized we should give him a little walk around it, and also he did a little tire frying today. So let me do a cinematic, and then I'll cut to the footage of Chris having fun, and we'll catch up with you guys back in the interior.
about the tires.
Oh Lord. So Chris, you were mean to this poor car. I mean, you know, the tires.
Well, those old gator backs or whatever they would call them,
yeah,
I think are pretty old. So
they are the good gears.
Yeah, so it didn't take much to spin that tread.
Yeah, these are VR60s. It's got the original VR60s. Like, man.
Yeah, so you got to kind of leave them on there. It's all period correct, and
it really is. 10 holes. And even though it's single stage paint, I mean, it has some problems, but for this old, he really took great care of it. I mean,
he did.
Let's look at the interior. Like, oh, nice and got the dinger.
The most annoying dinger.
I know, right? All right, solve that problem for now.
Look at that dash panel, number one.
I mean, right? Yeah, the interior's mint. Look at the piping on the seat, the red stitching. I mean, that's.
You got the original tire iron down on the floor there.
I was jealous of this.
Wheel key.
Map light works. Yeah, I mean, let's see the light up. Now we got our dinger back, but bulbs aren't too bad. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Full brightness. Man.
And everybody's searching for the AC climate control panel, I guess, is what it would be. So it's hard to find them like this. The only thing that I didn't understand, maybe somebody out there would be able to help out in this, the power window switches. This one, like, I don't know. I'm from where the steering wheel is on the left-hand side of the car, but you would think that this does the driver's side window. This is actually the passenger side.
Oh, really?
And that's the driver's side. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I would have thought it would have been the other way around.
That's interesting. So this is driver, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is way down, you're lock and unlock, but. Yeah.
But hey.
Still kind of works. And yeah, the interior's back good. What do you got? Some extra, this is the trunk cover.
Yeah, so I was just, I was exploring. I wanted to see what the spare tire well looked like, make sure all the spare tire and everything is in there, which it was. And that wood/cardboard cover that they always bow and flex, man, that thing is mint.
Yeah, I saw that yesterday, and like the headliner's in good shape, honestly. Oh, it's a time capsule, Chris.
It is.
It is, and it's just well maintained. Awesome. It does need some for the hatch. Maybe we can just go ahead and show on the back. Yeah, I left the keys in there, but it does need some hatch struts.
I'll be the strong arms to hold it open.
Yeah, that's what I have you around for, Chris. I just hold the camera. You do all the hard work. But yeah, this is in great shape.
So the only butchery we have are these old speakers right here, I guess. I'm assuming that's an upgrade, and they're not. They're just kind of sitting there.
Yeah.
But the holes look like almost like they're the proper cutout. So I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, I wonder if those are factory
I've
dealer
never,
installed, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, because I've never seen such clean hatch rear plastics, to be honest with you. Just the way that everything is all lined up. The cargo cover is there. It's actually, I just have the insulation flipped over it. And the car actually came with an ice scraper because it came actually from
where's
Illinois.
this from? Illinois, okay.
Yep. And then we have the original LeBras.
Yeah, look at that even. Must have not put that on the car.
It was. The clip,
okay.
the clips are there. And then no ending. Not sure what that was.
You've been underneath? It's no rust underneath?
Yeah, there's no rust. Like, even look at the license plate bulbs, right? Like, these are all your telltale signs of how well something has been kept and how it's aged.
I kind of already teased in the beginning, but this one's going on up on the auction block, I guess, huh?
It is. It was one of those cars that I acquired, and the gentleman was super, I don't know, even forthcoming about it. He was so transparent. He actually went out of his way to find more original documentation of this car. So he has the receipts, the brochures, everything is all there. The extra set of keys. He actually went and even got the full-blown Marty report after the fact and just said, man, I really wanted you to have this to go with the car because it's so original. So yeah, so he sent it all down. I did want to have the car in my collection because it is so clean and it is a time capsule. With that said, I am somebody who believes in driving my cars. So to have something here that is like this, I know that there's going to be an enthusiast out there that's really going to appreciate it. Against maybe my better judgment, I am going to throw this one on Bring a Trailer. We'll see how it does. And I'm actually going to give a proceed of the profits, because I know there's going to be some profits on it, back to the owner that I bought.
The original owner?
The original owner.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, no, I think it's only right because, you know what I mean? It's it was an opportunity for both of us. The car was sitting in his garage. He knew he wasn't going to do anything with it.
I mean, that's really awesome. You're going to do that for him,
yeah,
honestly.
and when I got this car running and he saw the video, he actually reached out to me, and I want to say his wife might have cried.
Oh.
Like it was such an emotional thing to the family, and it was just priorities changed in his life. So he was so happy to see the car go into hands to bring life back to it and get it back to its former glory. And I am going to do some paint correction to it. So I'm sure it looks great on camera. Single stage paint, there's a little bit of contamination in there. I'm gonna get that 100% right. And from there, we'll see how it does on the auction.
Okay, so you're gonna do paint correction on it and everything.
Yep, absolutely.
And it still has, I noticed this the other day, guys, it still has the original mufflers on it. I mean, this is crazy. Let me get you under here. Let's see. Now, it does need a little bit of H-pipe. We got a little bit of rust on the H-pipe, but you can tell by the straps. Yeah, it's a little dark under there, but hopefully you guys can see that. I'll try to lighten it up in editing. That helps. Yeah, see, it's still got the straps around the mufflers that Ford had from the factory. So, that is wild. Like, that's, I mean, that's getting original right there. So, I'm pretty excited about it, honestly. Chris, you might see a bid. I can't guarantee I'm gonna go all the way, okay? I have enough projects of my own, but you might see a little, I wanna make sure it doesn't go cheaply, for sure.
No, I do appreciate that. And I think, you know, it is a market. I get that the car is auto, but the reality is I feel like a lot of people aren't going to mind it. We're all getting older. So that clutch leg might be looking for a little bit of a break.
Yeah, and I mean, just it's a piece of history well preserved. So this is a car you could buy a FoxBody if you would just want to take to shows. Weekend warrior, you would not have to do too much to be able to do that.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
You know, we're talking, I think, just shy of 60,000 miles, which is a little higher, but when you assemble everything that you've got here, you're talking like, it was 60,000 miles. I know he had this car in university and he was driving, it was a commuter car for him. So they were highway miles, he did the maintenance, and nothing was touched, as we can see. So the battery was changed. I'm assuming he went through one set of tires. There is quite a bit of tread left, even though these are,
yeah, you would think they'd have had to replace it once, but that may have been early on.
Yeah, but you never know. So
yeah, I'm with you. Really, that is low mileage for a FoxBody now. It is. I'm sorry, 60 Ks. Yeah. Especially for just your straight up GT. So I'm excited about it, obviously. So you guys can bid on it too. Hopefully this video goes live pretty close to when the auction goes up. I don't know. We're figuring that out. So whatever it is, if it's up live now, I'll put a link down in the comments below. I'll like pin it. We'll do that whenever it goes live. So if they're watching it later. Yeah. So we can follow along and see. But you're going to have to get another 4i now, Chris.
Well, that's just it. And you know what? I got my 86 4i coupe project that I do need to get done. And you know what? Letting this one go is just going to allow me to get something else cool.
Yeah. And get it to somebody that's going to be able to appreciate it more than you can with your massive collection here.
Absolutely.
So, cool. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this one. Actually, this is probably the last video that is gonna go up from my trip here. So I wanna say, Chris, big shout out to you. I appreciate you, man. It's been awesome hanging out with you, your hospitality. Very much appreciate it. And also I got to create a lot of content.
Absolutely.
So that's a big thing for me. He said anytime, I heard it. So New Year's next year, we'll see. No, but that's going to do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed all these videos. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload pretty consistently, no longer 2 times a week. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Hello. Yeah. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt. This guy, I want to go faint. Oh, he's killing me.
Just tuck that in back there. It's bothering me.
What, back here?
Yeah, your tag.
Oh, okay. Brand new shirt. I didn't know what trash you were talking there to me. All right. Okay, so wardrobe approved now, Chris? We're good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, let's start again. Oh, now I got bad lighting with. Let me get right over here. Today, guys, we have another car review video. Have I been drinking? Okay.